Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. Look Ali, who is Mpumelele's second girlfriend and baby mama, has been receiving quite a lot of negative comments from fans of their reality TV show called Izingane Zesthembu, you guys, because a lot of fans have their favorite baby mama of Yokazi, you guys. And now a production company called Honey TV, which produces Izingane Zesthembu, has announced that it will be blocking people who will be trolling Utirelo in the comment section, because every time they post something about Izingani's temple, people go to the comment and then they troll Utirelo. So this is what Milk and Honey TV wrote. Hashtag Milk and Honey TV celebrates reality shows in all their forms. This account understands that you, the audience, may have your fan favorites and your strong opinions on the reality. We love the engagement. However, we will not condone any form of hate speech or derogatory comments towards our cast members on this page. You will be blocked. Well, there you have it, guys. What are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I will definitely be seeing you on my next video. Bye.